Chosen ones, where you are, chosen ones, back with another powerful and productive video, right? Great. The sound of your voice and text messages makes them feel chilled all over, throughout their entire body. I'm telling you, this is not a mere feeling or connection, but this is a soul connection with them. You are connected with them. All right? You are connected to their soul, to their spirit. That is why the sound of your voice and text messages that you send to them make them feel chilled, make them feel goosebumps on their body. I'm telling you, if spirit is not communicating, if you are not speaking to their soul, talking to their soul, if there is no soul connection, they wouldn't feel that way. The moment someone you're talking to or you text a message to feel chilled by reading your text message or hearing your voice, it means you are connected to the soul of the person. You are in connection, in oneness with the person. That person is having a positive mind, and that is connected to your positive mind as well. That is why that is happening. I don't know if you've ever felt that way before, where you even be talking to someone on the phone and you will be feeling chilled, or you'll be feeling goosebumps all over your entire body. And the person too, at the receiving end, will also be feeling the same feeling of chilledness, of goosebumps around him or her. It means that person is connected to you. You see, in this life, we are all one. I'm telling you, we are all one. It is human beings that try to make us discriminate, to hate one another. But we are born innocent, and we are all born to know God. We are all born to love. I'm telling you, that is who we are. It is in us. We are born that way. Nobody is born with a Quran or with a Bible or with whatever your belief is in the book that you read, the religious book that you read. Nobody is born with that book. We are all born to know God, to love, to have this kind of spirit connection to heal the world. But the world has programmed people to hate on each other, to hate on one another, to hate their fellow people. Sometimes it could be discrimination through race, racial discriminations. Sometimes it could be continental discrimination and stuff. But I'm telling you, we are all one people, no matter the color. No matter the color, different colors, but one people. That is why you can be afar and someone will call you, you'll be communicating with a person, and the person will continue to feel chilled throughout their body. Chosen ones, let us be kind to one another, because you don't know what your words are doing in the life of people and even in your own life. Your words are powerful energy that are casting spell on yourself, on the people that receive your words. They are powerful. I'm telling you. It is powerful. Words are powerful. And we need to be kind to people because you don't know what the other person is going through. We are all going through something. We are all dealing with something. No matter how it looks on the outside. Sometimes it looks on the outside that all is okay, all is well with people. But I'm telling you, deep within, in their family, that is not what is happening. All is not well. It always seems so, but it is never so. So if you have something to say to someone, to compliment someone, if you have a kind thing to say to someone, don't hold it. All right? Don't hold that kind stuff because you don't know what the kind words through your voice, what is going to do to the person. You don't know if you have a text to text someone to tell the person how you feel towards them, how you love them. All right? Don't hesitate to do that because you don't know that words, that text that you're going to send, you don't know how it's going to be of help and of healing to the person. All right? Maybe the person is going through something, but you never knew. But God is telling you, text this person, these kind words. Call this person and just tell him or her you love her. Just tell him or her all is well. Just tell him or her it's going to be okay. Just tell him or her God loves you. And I tell you, that will go a long way to make the person feel chilled, feel goosebumps, heal the person, heal the wounds of the person. I'm telling you. All right? Do things that are of kind nature. Be kind to people. And don't second guess. Don't doubt. Because I'm telling you, the sounds of your voice as a chosen one heals. The sounds of your voice and your text messages makes them feel chilled all over their body, throughout their body. Because we are all spirit beings having human experience. We have soul and we are connected to one another no matter what. So your words is healing people. Your love is healing people. When you are doing something, do it wholeheartedly with a positive mindset. All right? To do this is just simple. Before you speak to someone or before you text even someone of a kind stuff, okay? Just breathe in and hold it for 1 second or 2 seconds and let it out through your mouth. And focus on your breathing. It's a way of living in the present and appreciating the present. Breath is life before you text. Anytime you are angry at someone and you want to hold a grudge, just take it easy on yourself and taking a deep breath. Taking a deep breath. It will stabilize you. It will make you calm. It will make you poised. It will make you serene. It will make you peaceful. And you will not react in an angry way, in a hateful way, but you will react in a loving manner. And when you do that, such a voice or text is going to make them feel loved. They will feel chilled throughout their entire body. Chosen one, you have something unique. You have something special. You have something so wonderful. You are specially created and anointed and seasoned. I'm telling you. What you say, what you do to the people that comes in contact with you is much important and is setting them free. Even if they are not showing it, even if they are not telling you how chilled they feel under the sound of your voice, or how loving they feel under the sound of your voice, or your text messages, how it makes them feel. All right? Let's be positive and let us continue to have an impact in the life of people. You don't know whom or who your words, your texts are healing, is setting free. I'm telling you. All right? Be yourself, chosen one. Do you. You are an angel of love. You are an angel of God to give the love of God, to give the peace of God, to give the healing of God. You are an angel of God to, stabilize where you are. Okay? You are a channel of love, of peace, of kindness, of modesty, of humility, of honesty, of generosity. All right? I'm telling you, every word, every text that comes out of you as a chosen one is really, really making them feel chilled, feel goosebumps throughout their entire body. I'm telling you. All right? And mind you, whatever word that comes out of you, whatever text that you plan, a loving text that you plan to send out there, is a seed that you sow in. And whatever comes out of you, through you, to the world, to people that you come in contact with or come in contact with you, whatever word, whatever that you say or write, okay, is first nourishing you before it will nourish the recipient. I'm telling you. So it's working on yourself too as well. And it's working on the others. That is why when you become a positive person, it affects the life of others around you. Others around you will also become positive people. Your children will become positive people. Your family, your nuclear family will become positive people. And the people who care to learn from you will also become positive people. Those that spend time with you will become positive people. Your words will be healing them, will be setting them free. I'm telling you. All right? That is why people like your presence. That is why your presence attracts a whole lot of people to you. Because you are healing them knowingly and unknowingly, consciously and unconsciously. In your thoughts and in your deeds, you are healing them. That is why we need to have a positive mental attitude and always confess positive things, even in the midst of negativity, even in the midst of real life situation that the happiness is saying things are not well. If all things seems discouraging, and all things seems or suggest that it is not okay, it is not well, I tell you, that power of positive thinking, positive mental attitude of love that is in you will keep you going. Even if you don't have anything, you have nothing on you, the love that you show to others will keep you going. The smile that you put on the face of others will keep you going, because it is the same thing that will come back to you. What goes around comes around. That's it. That's it, chosen ones. You never knew what your words, your text, your voice is doing to people that comes in contact with you, that listen to you, that hear you out. Sometimes they will be there alone and they will just plant a smile on their face. Right? They will just be smiling, just looking at your text message or your voice. I'm telling you. All right? Chosen ones, thank you for watching this video. All right? See you in my next video. But you got to know that your voice, the sound of your voice and your text message is healing them. It's making them feel chilled throughout their entire body. Thank you for watching. God bless all chosen ones. I radiate love, peace, goodwill, good health, longevity to you, and nothing out of God's control will happen to you as a chosen child of the Most High God. Stay blessed, stay positive all the time, and put God first in whatever you do. And I tell you, nothing can stop you, because you are the best. All right? Thank you for watching. And always don't forget this. Remember to remember that your best is always yet to come. All right? Great. I'm out.